When you have uploaded a step file with the boundaries included, they will be automatically detected. You just have to click on them, specify the type and the required parameters. For an inlet, for example, you can choose between a fixed flow rate inlet, a pressure inlet, a pump inlet, or a fan inlet. For example, for the fixed flow rate inlet, you can specify the temperature of the inlet and the velocity, a mass flow rate or a volumetric flow rate. For an outlet, for example, you can choose between a pressure outlet, a fan outlet, or a pump outlet. For walls, you can choose either a fixed temperature wall, a heated wall, or an external wall. For more information regarding the specific boundary conditions, please visit our documentation page.